Hi, welcome to Party Food Hero. Today we're going to be making cauliflower soup. Boy, doesn't that sound disgusting? Yes, it does. Good news, this doesn't taste like you're eating cauliflower soup. It actually tastes, as the title implies, like you're eating potato soup. So this is our keto potato soup. You can't do it with potatoes because potatoes is keto kryptonite. So this is really easy to make. It's smooth, it's creamy. It's very delicious. My kids eat it, which is a miracle because they don't eat any vegetables. So that's how good you know this is. Very easy to make. Again, very quick. Let's go check it out. All right, here are the ingredients you are going to need to make this fantastic cauliflower soup, A.K.A. keto baked potato soup. Just look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful ingredients. And the first step is going to be melt some butter. So you're going to put your Instant Pot on saute. You're going to melt this butter down. And then you are going to add in your onions. And then you're going to add in your freshly minced garlic. And it's probably not 100% necessary to do this. If you're in a pinch and you wanted to save a little more time, you don't have to do this, but any excuse to saute onions and garlic, I'm gonna take advantage of that. That being said, this only takes about 3 minutes. So you're gonna throw that all in there and saute them for about 3-4 minutes. And then we're gonna add in the other ingredients, which is the chicken stock. And then you're going to add your salt, maybe. There we go, the salt. And then very carefully, you're gonna add in your cauliflower. Now, using the pressure cooker, what this does is obviously it cooks it really fast, but also it just really softens the cauliflower so that you can then blend it together and have a nice smooth consistency in your cauliflower soup. I've made like mashed potato cauliflower, and you kind of get that like grittiness from the cauliflower that I'm not a giant fan of. This soup is smooth and delicious. You are going to put on the lid and you are going to set this to manual 6 minutes. And then also make sure that you have the little seal on top set to seal. And make sure you know how to do this part, which I'm a professional. There you go, 6 minutes. And that's all you gotta do. You're gonna quick release the pressure and then open it up, and that's what it looks like. Not very good. First time we made this, I was extremely nervous that this was gonna turn out disgusting. But trust me, it's really good. So there you have it. And then what you're going to do from here is I like to take portions of this soup. Well, it's not soup yet. Take portions of this mixture and put it into my Blendtec blender and just smooth it on out. And that's what helps give it the really smooth consistency. You could use like an immersion blender and do it as well. I'm not sure if you get that smooth consistency with an immersion blender, but if you have a good blender like Blendtec, Vitamix, I think Ninja makes some good ones. Just a good strong blender that does a good job with smoothing anything out, vegetables. I'm good at making smoothies, I guess. This turns out just really good. So make sure you only put in about half of the mixture before you blend it, because you don't want to overfill this. You turn on your blender, then it shoots all over the place because it is super hot. So just do about half, blend it up, and then do the other half, blend it up, and put it back into the Instant Pot on warm. So I put after it's been blended, I put it into a separate pot, and then I take the rest out of the Instant Pot, blend it all up, and then put it into the other pot, and then add it back into the Instant Pot. So there you go. And then next, what you're going to do is you're going to add in your rest of your soup. that you want to make sure you get it all. So I'm doing a good job making sure you get all that soup out of there. Very important. Now you're going to add in your cubed up cream cheese, and you're going to mix that all together until smooth. I think I started using a wooden spoon, not the best tool for this job. And then I eventually grabbed a whisk and just whisked it all together. That blends it in a lot easier and a lot quicker. So don't use a wooden spoon. And now you're going to add in your whole milk, and this makes the soup even creamier. So if you wanted, you could use like heavy whipping cream, half and half if you wanted to. That would make it even creamier than whole milk. But we find that whole milk is plenty. You have the cream cheese and you're adding even more cheese, so whole milk works great. Now I'm going to add in some extra sharp cheddar cheese from Tillamook, because Tillamook has great cheese. You could experiment with this. If you wanted to add different types of cheese, you wanted to try Gouda or mozzarella or whatever your favorite cheese is, like pepper jack, you could do that as well. We always kind of just stick with cheddar cheese, and it works out fantastic. And here's another secret. You can add more cheese. You can add as much cheese as you want. There's no law about how much cheddar cheese you can put in cauliflower soup, so just a heads up. In fact, we top this with even more cheese and bacon and green onion, and it turns out delicious. All right, now for my favorite part of the video, I get to eat the food. So, as you can tell, this is super easy to make. Lots of fresh ingredients. It's good for you. It's the beginning of the year, so this is the kind of stuff you should be eating anyways. But the first time we made this, I thought it was gonna be gross. I thought it was gonna be kind of gritty, have a weird cauliflower-y taste, and it didn't. It was delicious. We make this probably at least once a month, if not a couple of times a month. Our kids eat it. That's the real miracle here. That's how you know this is good. My kids don't know they're eating healthy vegetables. So let's give this a treat. I like to add some bacon because, of course, and a little bit of green onion, a little extra freshly ground pepper, and some cheddar cheese. And then you mix it all together. Sometimes I'm feeling a little saucy, I'll add in some like chipotle Tabasco sauce, and that's delicious as well. Get a little spicier if you want it, or spicy. This isn't spicy at all. So here we go. Let's try this out. It's soupy because it's soup. That's really good. It honestly, if someone made this for me, I would think they would have made a very thin, like potato puree. I would have no idea that it was cauliflower. We've done this to multiple people, multiple friends we've made this for, not told them what it is. They've guessed it's some sort of potato soup. It's really good. It's good, it's healthy, it's keto if that's what you're into, or just in general, you're gonna get a lot of vegetables. I don't know what else to say. It's really good, especially during the winter when it's so darn cold here in Idaho. So definitely make it. You're gonna love it. Your kids will love it. Don't tell them what's in it. They're just going to love it. It's creamy. You have the little saltiness in there from the salt, and then all the other ingredients. It's just a really good flavor. Solid. We love it here at our home. So if you learned something new or you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I really appreciate you watching. All the recipes and everything, partyfoodhero.com. Follow us at partyfoodhero on Instagram. And remember, be the party food hero. It's very cold today. It was like 9 degrees, so this is great.
Be the party food hero.
So good.